More than 1 million mothers are hoping to re-enter the workforce, but debating whether it's worth it with the cost of childcare. Melanie Johnson is president and CEO of Collaborative for Children, and she joins me live with options for families. Good morning. Good to have you here. Let me ask you first, has the pandemic impacted the cost of childcare? Is it costing more?
No, quite frankly, childcare has not gone up extensively. It is availability of seats. It's the priority here, Sally. And right now, there are tons of seats available for children, for parents who are trying to re-enter the workforce.
Well, that is good to hear. You know, we hear a lot, Melanie, about food deserts, areas of town that don't have access to healthy foods and grocery stores. Is that the case with quality childcare? Are there childcare deserts too?
Yes, there are childcare deserts extensively. In fact, they pervade the Houston region. More than 90% of Houston is a childcare quality desert. And I've got to make sure that we understand that quality means that it's not just affordable childcare, but childcare that's suitable for school readiness skills and social emotional learning at best.
And I mean, this is truly one of the most important decisions you'll make as a parent, you know, because we know those early years are so formidable in a child's life. So when you talk about quality childcare and affordable, what options are there for parents right now?
Yes, well, we had this crisis back in the 80s when families were trying, or parents or mothers were trying to enter the workforce. And so here we are again with a reentry under a different situation. However, findchildcarenow.org was developed all the way back in the 80s and is still very essential on the website for Collaborative for Children. So findchildcarenow.org will share with you not only childcare centers that accept children whose childcare tuitions are subsidized, but also our centers of excellence. And you'll soon hear about the Collab Lab that will be a mobile school on wheel that will come to a neighborhood near you to provide those home-based childcare centers the quality and excellence that they deserve.
Wow, that's good to hear. So when you go on this site, I mean, you can really find not only by zip code, but you're going to see licensing, right? Accreditation, you're going to see ratios, things like that.
Absolutely. Anything you want to know. You can have childcare that's close proximity to your home or to your office.
Okay, so how do people go about, you know, making sure that they get their child care subsidized? I mean, they have to qualify, right? How do they know if they qualify?
Yes, they'll get information back from Workforce Solutions. Priorities right now are given to families who are essentially trying to seek work, and instead of those who are already gainfully employed, you know, significantly employed. But that website, findchildcarenow.org, will give you some information as to how you can tap into Workforce Solutions website and be able to gain subsidies for childcare.
And Melanie, for parents who have a 4-year-old child, at that age, 4-year-olds can now qualify for free pre-K because Texas public schools have to provide full-day programs. But there is an income requirement for that as well, right?
That is correct, yes. The pre-K 4 is full day, and it has highly qualified teachers. And we are so grateful to our legislators for allowing that kind of opportunity for our families to afford. So that is available, as well as pre-K 3 as a part-time option for parents.
Okay, parents, so take advantage of that. Get your 4-year-olds in full day pre-K to set them up to be successful in kindergarten. Melanie, with Collaborative for Children, we have the number on the screen for our viewers if they need to find out more information, 713-600-1100. Thank you so much for joining us.